Hello everyone, welcome to Healer of Light 1414 channel. Today we have three piles here. This is a pickup pile reading. It is related to general messages, like common messages that you need to hear today. So pick a pile that you are drawn to and scroll to your readings. I'll be giving timestamps in the description box and pinned comments below. You can directly go and check it. Thank you. So if you pick this pile one, then the overall message for you is like tolerance. And here the message goes like the temporary appearance of happiness and distress and their disappearance over time or like the coming and going winter and summer seasons. They arise from sense perception and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. So your overall energy is tolerance. Means you guys have to be patient. It's more likely what I'm getting is the Queen of Pentacles. You guys are disturbed with something that is not turning out. This could be money or some relationship. Here, the more likely I'm receiving the energy of money. What I'm getting is like you guys are holding on to the things that are not serving you, and you guys are not listening to your intuition. That is making you anxious. With the new vision card reversed here, you guys are not seeing the possibilities of, it's like you guys are not seeing the opportunities and new possibilities. That is why it is blocking your intuition with the High Priestess card. You guys need to work out and realize this situation is temporary, and you guys have to believe in yourself, and you guys have the courage to let go of your hurt, pain and sorrows that is keeping you stuck. You guys need to have a courage to move forward and be there for yourselves. You guys need to realize things can be changed only and only by you and not with anyone else. That's when you guys will be able to move forward. What I'm getting is like a message that is saying me like stop holding on to the things that is not serving you. This could be your job or relationship that is not serving right now. And with the High Priestess, I'm getting a message stating here, listen to your intuition and focus on yourself. I'm seeing red color here. It means like you guys are very angry and you guys are like frustrated about the things that are not serving you and that are not going in your favor. At this time you guys have to look away and look at other possibilities that are going to come towards you, and you guys need to be a little bit patient. I'm having a feeling that you guys are waking up in the middle of night and thinking about your situations. You guys need to heal. You guys need to heal from this situation. What I'm hearing is like heal. It's like you guys need to heal from this situation, and you guys need to meditate, release this toxic energy that you guys are carrying on, so that you guys will be able to move forward and focus on new things. With the Queen of Pentacles, stop holding on to the things that are not serving you just because you believe that is going to bring abundance. I don't know why I'm getting this message again and again. It's like stop holding on to the things that are not serving you. I just hope this message resonates for you. If it resonates, like, share, subscribe and comment. If it doesn't resonate, please find a reader that can help you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Well, if you pick this pile, then here are your overall messages. The first one I have got is here is material elements. And the message I have here is like my material nature is made up of eight separate energies, that is earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence, and false ego. And one more overall energy is here as like doubting soul. But the ignorant and faithless person who doubts the truth will forever be lost. The doubting soul is happy neither in his life nor the next. So here the message I have for you is like you want to like you guys should stop doubting yourself, and you guys should stop doubting your abilities, and you guys should stop focusing on your material elements and material things that are not serving you right now. With the strength, world, and two of swords here, I'm seeing you guys will have to take strength, and with the infinity symbol and 8 I'm seeing here, it's like you guys need to break some toxic cycles that are there in your life, because here on strength card also I have seen 8, and on material elements also I have seen 8. You guys need to break a cycle, some cycle. With the world card, this world card also talks about cycles here. It's like you guys need to realize the repeated pattern in your life. You guys need to have strength for yourself, and you guys need to tame yourself. It's this strength card to me, it's not like someone taming you, it's like more likely you are taming your old version, you are taming your negative thoughts, you are taming your negative self. That's what I'm getting here. With the world card here, I do see a lady standing in between this circle, inside this circle, and holding a stick that looks like a sword to me. It's like you have to take this sword and you have to learn how to break this cycle. With the two of swords, you guys might be feeling confused, or you guys might not be knowing, like you guys may be knowing in which way to go and which way to not. So here they are saying me like, if you are making a right decision and if you are going in a right path, you will have this wish fulfillment. With the ripeness card here, see the number that is there on ripeness card is 9, and I see fruits and purple color there, purple, yellow, and pink color there, which means healing. They are going to bring you some sort of energetical healing. This could be related to your love life, or your uh, or your this career. You guys might be having throat chakra issues, or you guys might be working on how to balance your life and how to overcome your fears, because in this pile I'm not able to speak properly, because it's like something is holding you guys back. It is maybe your indecisive nature. That's what I'm getting. It's more likely you guys are learning how to communicate properly, or how to be open, and how to be open to people, and how to receive energies from universe, and how to learn to go forward and move ahead. That's what I'm getting here. It's like if you guys are doubting your abilities, do not doubt. With the doubting soul here, you guys have the capacity to break your cycles, and you guys have the capacity to break your toxic patterns. I'm seeing a black color for you. It means like you guys are mostly clouded, and you guys are not listening to your intuitions because of this material elements that are there in your life. Once you guys will be able to come out of all these things, and once you guys will be able to clear all these doubts and fears, you guys will be able to see the destination and see your goals clearly. that's why meditation is what I'm getting. You guys need to meditate and listen to yourself and listen to your intuition, so that you guys will be able to have an idea on how to move forward with your situation. I hope this resonates. If it resonates, please like, share and subscribe. If it doesn't resonate, please find a YouTube reader that can help you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Okay guys, if you pick this pile, then here is your reading. The overall energy I have got for you is like mode of knowledge and mode of goodness and lamp of knowledge. The mode of goodness, the message here goes like this. Happiness is the mode of goodness. Maybe in a beginning seem like poison, but at the end just like nectar, for it is born out of peace of self-realization. Here you guys need to realize that happiness is the key to your success. With the lamp of knowledge here, the message here goes like this. To those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the intelligence by which they can attain me. Out of compassion for them dwelling in their hearts, I destroy the darkness of ignorance with the lamp of knowledge. So here what I see is like with the Knight of Swords reversed and King of Cups, the Emperor card, you guys might be feeling a little bit left out in the cold with something that happened in your life. You guys need to realize that you can cut off this toxicity or toxic cycles that is happening in your life with the We Are the World card. Here, if you were in a relationship, this person might have taken advantage of you, or this person might have put you down. You guys need to realize that you are an emperor and you are a King of Cups, and you don't have to deal with the people's bullshit, and you have to realize that you with the Emperor card, I'm getting like it's like you guys need to realize that stubbornness leads you nowhere, and you guys have to be a King of Cups. Like, you guys have to fulfill yourself emotionally, and you guys need to work on fulfilling yourself emotionally, so that you guys can have this sort of abundance. In mode of goodness, I do see that you have to realize yourself, what is your mistake and what you have done in the past. If you have anger issues, I'm seeing red color for you as well. It's like you guys might be having very anger issues, and you guys might be having temper issues. If you guys have such issues, you guys need to realize that it is not going to be worth it having such issues, and you guys need to cut off any toxicity with the Knight of Swords here reversed here. And you guys need to focus on building your inner knowledge and building your inner peace. I'm getting a message stating that build peace with your past. I don't know, it's like I'm getting a message stating build peace with your past. If you have a past that was very bad, or that put you in a situation, or someone put you in a third party situation, you have to make peace with this past person. Even if you don't want this person, you have to build peace for yourself, so that you guys can be able to move forward. With the We Are the World card here, you guys need to cut off this toxic cycle that is there in your life. I'm getting a message that you are on the right track and you are on the right way in your life. And with We Are the World reversed here, I'm also sensing like you guys are working on to cut off these toxic people in your life who were trying to hold you back. Sooner or later, you guys may get into self-realization mode, so that you guys can look into your inner issues, and you guys can start working on your inner healing to move forward. That's what I'm getting. That's all. This is for today. I hope this resonates. If it resonates, please like, share and subscribe. If it doesn't resonate, please find a YouTube reader that can help you. Thank you so much.